welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a weird one. It's going to be a scrunchie collection video, which I know is kind of well, not even kind of, it's a very strange video idea, but I figured people do weird collection videos of other things, so why not do one of scrunchies? So thank you so much for 100 subscribers. That means so much to me. Like, thank you literally so much. That means a lot. So this is like the next day. I am editing it, but I just realized that this is like I don't know, not a lot of people like do a scrunchie collection video, so I just want to say I wear scrunchies a lot, and like it's not like I just buy them just because like I think they're cute, you know, like it's like accessories for me or whatever. So I just want to make that disclaimer. And also I just want to say that I am truly sorry for the super ugly angle that I have. I was filming on my bed, and like I didn't realize how bad of an angle it was until I'm like editing this, so yikes. Truly sorry about that angle. But without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna just be starting with like the basic ones that are like basic colors, you know, that you kind of need. So first I just have this dark brown / black one. It looks black, but it's actually kind of a dark brown, if you can see. Yeah, I'm trying to like get that out of the way so you can see, but I don't really know if you can tell. I don't really wear that one a whole bunch. Then I have this cotton, just regular black one. I have this velvet black one. A velvet gray one, super cute. These all match like with anything. This velvet white one. And then this white / cream colored lace one, and this is definitely the one that I get the most compliments on. Tannish colored one. This one is from H&M, and it's really, really big, so I don't really wear this one that much. If you ever get ones from H&M, just know that they're pretty big. And then lastly, I have this gold-ish colored one. Super bright pink color. This really, really neon orange, which is really cool. And then this bright blue one that I wear a lot. So this first one is baby blue. I wear this one so much, and I think it's so cute. Next I have this like lightish pastel purple one. Whoopsies. And it's really, really cute. This pastel baby pink. Next I have this other one from H&M that's also like a baby pinkish color, which is also quite big on your hand. Ones, but I have this really bright neon purple. I have this little bit more toned down purple one that is cotton. I also have this pink one, but I don't wear this one that much because it's just really big on my wrist. Like, it just has a lot of excess fabric, so I don't wear this one that much. Then I have this one, which is like really cool. I wore it for the 4th of July, and it just is like a red, white, and blue plaid print, and it has a different texture to it, but I think it's pretty cool. Navy blue, this one I wear a lot. I have this evergreen olive kind of color. This color, which is like a raspberry color. This teal / turquoise, which is super pretty. It's like jewel-toned purple. It looks kind of blue, but I promise it's purple. I have this like lime green color, and it's really, really pretty. I have this bright blue. This one's pretty bright as well, so I really like this one. And then lastly, my favorite, my favorite one, it is just this like, I don't even know what to consider it. It's like a pinkish purplish color, and it matches with a lot, so yeah. Okay, so these are all my scrunchies. I hope you enjoyed. Surprisingly, I don't have any yellow ones. Kind of weird, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!